Today I wanted to show you how we can save a shop over $2,000 per machine per month by leveraging our OnTakt production management and machine monitoring software combined with TMAC from Caron Engineering. Just a quick background if you're not familiar with TMAC from Caron Engineering. TMAC stands for Tool Monitoring and Adaptive Control. What it does is monitor the horsepower of a CNC, and it can detect when tools are worn or broken. We leverage TMAC here at our shop to run our machines 24/7 without operators. When a tool wears or breaks, TMAC will stop the machine, and our OnTakt software will send out a notification so someone on the shop floor can go attend to the machine. More info on TMAC in the description if you'd like to learn more. We can also do in-person demos here at our own shop if you'd like to see it in action. Okay, so what we want to do today is see how we can drive our tools farther into their life without being concerned about a tool breaking and damaging our parts or machines. Tool breakage can be very expensive, but we're going to just focus on tool life. So what we want to do today is see how we can drive our tools farther into their tool life without being concerned about a tool breaking and damaging our parts or machines. Tool breakage can be very expensive, but we're going to just focus on tool life. So here in OnTakt, let's go look directly at the tools that are active in one of our Okuma LB3000s. Let's start this demo with this 1/2-inch end mill, as it's the highest value tool for us to drive as far into its life as possible. OnTakt allows me to pull up the complete replacement history here. In this view, I can see the tool life for every tool that we've run in this machine and information about its condition when it's replaced, as well as any contextual information that an operator might have provided. OnTakt automatically tells us the average tool life is 99 parts per tool, which shows up about here on this chart. If we were to part count in a conservative way, where we weren't relying on TMAC, we would probably set that around 60 parts per tool, and likely even a little less, but for this calculation, we'll use 60. OnTakt manages all our tooling inventory, so I can also click here on the inventory item and get the cost of the tool. With these numbers, let's look at what the cost savings will be when we drive tools until TMAC stops the machine. You can see here that I have the cost of the tool, and from a monthly production report, I pulled the number of parts that machine made in the month of March. From OnTakt, we pulled the average actual use, which was 99 parts, and with an estimated number of parts at 60 if we're going to use a more rudimentary tool counting method. So the cost of the tooling per month when we can make 99 parts per tool is just under $2,500, and when we can make 60 parts per month, it costs $4,000. The savings here every month on this machine from the single tool is just over $1,500. So two things. This is our highest value tool savings, but it's also not the only tool in the machine. So I pulled the data for a few other tools, and we can see how to get to $2,000 per month savings. Once we bring in the actual data for these other tools, we can see that the cost savings are a little less, but we can also see that just looking at these 4 examples, we can save $2,000 per month. But here's the kicker. We have 9 tools in this machine. We use 2 of these 1/2-inch end mills per machine, 4 tools that have very similar life to our 1/4-inch end mill calculation, and we can see with real life data that we've just saved $4,000 per machine per month. This is just one piece of building an ROI for TMAC combined with OnTakt. In future videos, I'll show you 2 additional ways that the combination of OnTakt and TMAC can pay for themselves very quickly. As always, if you'd like to see a 30-minute demo of the software monitoring a live production shop, reach out to us.